Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, especially XRP, and you're using a first ledger device, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to send XRP from your first ledger in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it super user-friendly. Whether you're sending to a friend or trading on an exchange, let's get started. First things first, make sure your first Ledger device is set up and updated. Plug it into your computer and open the Ledger Live app. If you haven't already, download the latest version from the official Ledger website to ensure compatibility with 2025's enhancements, like improved security protocols. Next, navigate to the App Manager in Ledger Live and install the XRP app on your device. Once that's done, go to the Accounts section and select your XRP wallet. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough XRP for the transaction, remembering to account for any network fees, which might be lower in 2025 due to optimizations. Now, hit the Send button and enter the recipient's XRP address. Take a moment to verify this address to avoid any mistakes. It's crucial for secure transactions. Then, input the amount you want to send. The app will show you a summary, including estimated fees and arrival time. Before confirming, your Ledger device will prompt you to review and approve the transaction on the hardware itself. This adds an extra layer of security, so always double-check on the device screen. Once you're good, press the buttons to confirm, and voila, your XRP is on its way. That's it for this quick guide. Sending XRP from your first Ledger in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If you run into any issues, check the Ledger support forums or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.